Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the world of AI. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on a new open source large language model, which is InternLM. Now, InternLM has recently made an exciting development by releasing its own open source 7 billion parameter base model alongside with its chat model specifically designed for practical scenarios. Now, this model possesses a lot of different features and characteristics that contribute to its exceptional performance and usability. To begin with, InternLM has utilized trillions of high-quality tokens during its training phase. Now, this extensive and diverse dataset serves as a solid foundation for the model's knowledge base, which basically allows it to possess a deep understanding on a lot of different tasks, a part of its dataset. Now, one notable feature that I want to talk about and highlight of this model is that it supports for an 8,000 context window length, and this basically means that the model can possess and analyze longer input sequences by providing it with a stronger reasoning capability. Now, with this expanded context window, the model can efficiently and effectively consider as well as incorporate more relevant information from the input, and this although enhances its ability to generate accurate and insightful responses, as well as delivering it in an efficient way. So this is one of the main reasons why I wanted to focus on this particular large language model. Even though it's quite fairly small, it has a lot of features and characteristics that puts it ahead of a lot of different types of open source models because of its performance and usability. So in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the performance, talk a little bit more about the usability of this actual large language model, taking a look at the chat, as well as showcasing you how you can actually install it locally on your desktop. So with that thought, guys, before we actually get into the gist of the video, it'd mean the whole world to me if you guys can go to the world of AI on Twitter. Make sure you guys give this page a follow if you guys haven't already. I'm going to be posting the latest AI news over here, so definitely give this a follow. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do so. I'm going to be posting the latest AI news as well as the latest AI videos here every single day, so make sure you give this a subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and if you guys haven't seen my previous videos, I highly recommend that you do so because there's a lot of content and a lot of value that you'll definitely benefit from. So with that thought, guys, let's get right into the video. With InternLM, it offers a versatile toolset that empowers users to build with their own workflow. Now, one of the main reasons I want to focus on this is because of its flexibility, which enables users to customize your own model according to the specific requirements and leveraging its capabilities in a manner that it aligns with their own unique use cases. And this is what you can do with the open source model such as InternLM. By providing the toolset, you can use InternLM and leveraging it by ensuring that you as a user can adapt to the model to the wide range of different types of applications, as well as achieving optimal results with the different types of data that is associated with this large language model. Now, additionally to this, you're able to use and leverage InternLM, which provides a lightweight training framework, and this basically simplifies the process of a model pre-training. Now, with this framework, it minimizes the need for extensive dependencies, which makes it easier for you as a user to set up and utilize the model. It supports pre-training on large-scale clusters with thousands of GPUs, making it highly scalable and efficient. Now, remarkably, this framework also allows for fine-tuning on a single GPU. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this is quite important for a lot of people because they don't have the type of money to afford GPUs, and it's quite amazing how you can just fine-tune on a single GPU while still achieving significant performance like optimization. Now, this demonstration showcases that InternLM's commitment to providing a training framework that balances the efficiency as well as the effectiveness of this model. So now let us take a look at the performance evaluation of InternLM. So InternLM underwent a comprehensive performance evaluation using this new open source evaluation tool called Opencompass, and it's basically something that helps evaluate different LLMs as well as different platforms by supporting a wide range of models such as Llama, ChatGLM, as well as ChatGPT, Claude, etc. And this is just an open source tool that they've used to evaluate certain things to assess the model's capabilities. So what they've done is that they like basically assess the model in 5 different important dimensions. You have the disciplinary competence, you have the language competence, knowledge competence, inference competence, and lastly you have the comprehensive competence. And basically these are the 5 dimensions in which they assess the model within in terms of its performance as well as its capabilities. Through this, they've gained valuable insights into the model's strengths as well as the performance in various aspects of language understanding and reasoning. Now, while specific evaluation results were not actually provided, it is mentioned with the paper that the evaluations yielded impressive outcomes. Now, for a more detailed overview of the evaluation results, you can actually take a look at the leaderboard as well as take a look at the additional information that is provided with the metrics on their paper. InternLM showcased remarkable efficiency during its training process. When employing 1024 GPUs, the model achieved an impressive acceleration efficiency of nearly 90%. This showcased that the model's efficiency utilized the available computational resources, which resulted in an optimized training procedure and reduced training times. The high acceleration efficiency demonstrated that InternLM's ability to make the most parallel processing capabilities and deliver faster model training. Now guys, if you actually take a look on their actual model zoo, you can see that there's 3 different models that they released. One of the significant highlights of InternLM's open source release is that there's availability of a model zoo, which includes 2 models, InternLM 7 billion parameter, as well as the InternLM 7 billion parameter chat. Now, these models were trained using InternLM's framework and now are accessible for public use and experimentation. You can actually download the format weight, which are all accessible over here. So if you want to take a look at this, I'll leave out links in the description below. Now, the InternLM offers 2 formats of model weights to facilitate the utilizations of these models. In addition to the transformers format, InternLM also provides the option to directly load the model weights using InternLM framework itself. This empowers users to utilize the model for further pre-training or human preference alignment training, which offers greater flexibility and control over the training process. Now, by providing this capability, InternLM also enables users to leverage the models in a manner which aligns best with their specific requirements and research objectives. Now, the availability of Model Zoo is coupled with the flexibility of the model's weight, loading options, as well as the enhancement of the usability and adaptability of InternLM. So I highly recommend that you check this out so you can get a better idea of what you can actually do and utilize InternLM. InternLM leverages a vast amount of high quality data during its training process. One thing I want to keep in mind is that they have not mentioned where the specific details about the data sources or the compositions are stated, and this is something that you would want to keep in mind before you actually use it. As for the specific use cases of InternLM's chatbot, it is designed to be a conversational agent that can engage in interactive and practical dialogue scenarios. This chatbot model is tailored to handle conversations and provide relevant responses in real-world applications, and it could be used for a lot of wide range of use cases such as customer support, virtual assistant, and etc., like many of the other chatbots that are out there. Now, to access it, you can just click on the Hugging Face link, or you can just click on the Intern Chat 7 billion parameter, and that is focused with the transformer weights of Hugging Face, and it will then open up the link in which you'll start building on Hugging Face, and then you can start introducing yourself and start playing with the chatbot, asking it things. What is InternLM? And it will give you responses. It might take a little bit longer because there's a lot of people using it, but you get the gist of it. It's just a chatbot that you can do a lot of different things, and that's basically it for InternLM, guys. In summary, this is a new open source large language model that will be utilized for a lot of different use cases. It's only 7 billion parameter based model, so it's not a lot of data, but it is good to see that there's a development and a deployment of a new open source model that is completely free with extensive training data that will be released later on in the future. So it just goes to show that there's a push towards open source content and large language models that will eventually help with a lot of different use cases in the future. So I hope you found this video quite beneficial. Thank you guys so much for watching. It would mean the whole world to me if you guys can go subscribe. If you guys haven't already, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and if you guys haven't followed the Twitter page, please do so. And with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys shortly. Peace out, fellas.